What's up, everybody? We're back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shati. We are here today at Ubatuba Açai, Silverlake. This is a spot that specializes in acai bowls. I loaded this thing up. Let's go try it out. We're here, baby. Ubatuba. Got my acai bowl right here. Look at all those ingredients I put in there. This thing is loaded up. Let's go try it out, baby. Man, I could not wait to eat this. I had to pull over. This acai bowl is calling my name. Mango, strawberry, banana, blueberries, passion fruit, Nutella, bee pollen, chia seeds, goji berries. Delish. This bowl is loaded. What a nice touch. The nice wooden spoon. See how it tastes. All right, we got some strawberry on there. You see all that pollen, chia seeds, some goji berries. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get a blueberry on there too. See how this first bite tastes. Whoa! Whoa! Yo! This acai bowl, this right here, is fire. I love the presentation, I love the colors, I love the variety of both flavors and textures. That hemp granola, that provides a crunch. That is a serious crunch. There's such a variety of flavors and textures. If anything, it's interesting. Every bite is a new story. Like, I think on this bite, I'll do banana. And on the next, I think I'll do strawberry. I might treat myself to some goji berries. Forget ice cream, I'm going acai bowls, man. That concludes another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Please like, subscribe. The crown for vegan desserts goes to the acai bowl from Ubatuba Açai Silverlake. Tune in next week for another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid.